The TC tool meets the demands for today's energy needs. We're here to tell you how and why the TC tool will become the new standard in the drilling industry.
Gas, water, and other pressure anomalies encountered while drilling surface are some of the biggest challenges to the drilling industry today. Deaths, destruction of rigs, and lost time are huge liability exposures, as well as preventable cost to the industry. MMS studies indicate one blowout for every 285 wells drilled, as well as one blowout for every 110 kicks. 79% of the kicks caused significant problems, and 21% resulted in loss of all or part of the well. The TC tool is designed to bolt to a flange that is installed on the conductor casing prior to the drilling rig arriving on location. The diverter spool has two offset connection points that accommodate flow lines and kill lines. Connection sizes depend on the length of the diverter spool. The diverter spool is also fitted with two connections near the bottom of the diverter spool. The first is designed to check for cement returns, and the second is used to inspect for cement fallback prior to unbolting the TC tool. The safety chain loop is designed to prevent the extendable conductor stand from scoping out during installation and removal. The lower stop ring prevents the locking assembly from contacting the lower flange while in the fully closed position. This allows for the safe installation and removal of the lower tube flange bolts. The upper tube allows for quick and easy setup of the conductor pipe with an adjustable range of up to 6 feet and the ability to rotate 360 degrees in any direction to quickly align the flow nipple. The lower tube is configured with a dual O-ring arrangement that prevents leakage throughout the entire movement of the upper tube. The lower tube is also configured with an entry guide ring that allows for smooth entry into the smallest ID of the TC tool. Once the upper tube is raised to the desired height and the flow nipple is aligned with the flow line, then the position lock is used to secure the upper tube from rotating or lowering. The 360-degree rotating ring located on the upper tube eliminates twisting loads on the conductor stands while facilitating a rapid setup. Spacer spools are installed to accommodate rigs with a KB greater than the TC tool's combined extended length, typically used where KB lengths are greater than 17 feet. The TC tool allows for the use of BOP protection while drilling and setting surface casing. It reduces nipple up of the conductor stand by 80% in most cases, saving valuable rig time, and offers control of well kicks, reducing the risk of catastrophic environmental impacts.
Now that you've had an opportunity to see how it looks on paper, come with me out to a remote location in central Utah and let's drill through the TC tool. Prior to the drill rig's arrival, we have welded a conductor flange in place. Once the drill rig is on location, we're going to pre-bolt all the necessary flow equipment to the TC tool. After that is done, we're going to fly the conductor stand in, lower it down, and bolt it securely into place. Once we bolted the conductors, we're going to extend the conductor to our desired height, rotate the flow nipple to match the flow line, and lock the locking head. Now that the locking head is locked, we will fasten the turnbuckles to the stabilizer ring. This will prevent any unwanted movement of the conductor and allow the drilling process to begin. Now that the surface hole has been drilled and the surface casing has been cemented, we can inspect for cement fallback prior to the removal of the conductor. After verifying a successful cement job, we are ready to lower the conductor to its retracted position. Then we will tighten the locking head bolts as well as reattach the safety cable to prevent any unwanted extension of the tool. Next is to unbolt the connection point between the diverter and the casing flange, or to simply make a cut below the casing flange, relieving the entire system from the conductor casing. This will allow the entire surface control stack to be raised up in order to safely cut the surface casing. By simply lifting the surface casing through the TC tool and out the top of the floor, the TC tool can be removed and the drilling process will continue. This tool offers a feasible and useful method to protect against blowouts while drilling surface, arguably one of the most dangerous stages of drilling a well. Because the TC tool offers so many solutions and supports current API recommendations, the industry experts are anticipating this technology to become the new industry standard. May we all go home safely after a long day at work. Well control management is key to safety and environmental protection. The TC tool will revolutionize the industry and become the new industry standard.
The TC tool. Why would you drill without it?